Have you ever wondered why your skin still feels dry after slathering on some lotion? If so, no worries, because I'm going to show you how to make a nice, luxurious, but also hydrating body lotion to lock in that moisture all day. And today we're going to be using a special ingredient for fall. We're using some pumpkin seed oil, and your skin is going to love it. So let's dive right in. So this recipe is going to be in 3 phases. The first phase is our heated water phase, which is going to be our distilled water and our vegetable glycerin. The second phase, which is our heated oil phase, is going to have our BTMS 25, our Cetearyl Alcohol, our pumpkin seed oil, and our medium chain triglycerides. And then our cool down, we're going to use a preservative and then also our fragrance oil. So for this formula, we have our water and oil phase. So I've already measured out our water. So we have our distilled water and our vegetable glycerin. And then for the oil phase, we have our Cetearyl Alcohol in the BTMS 25, along with our medium chain triglycerides and our pumpkin seed oil. So the very first thing we're going to do is weigh out our water phase and oil phase. The thing we're going to do is weigh out our ingredients with the container and everything, the whole thing. We're going to weigh it. So we're going to water, and now we have our vegetable glycerin. And we're going to make a note of how much this is for later use. So it's 554 grams. Okay, so now we have that. Now we're going to measure out the oil phase. We're going to use this container. So we're going to add in our triglycerides, our BTMS and Cetearyl Alcohol, and our pumpkin seed oil. And write that down. We're going to prepare a water bath for our ingredients. So I just used a pan with a little bit of water, and we're going to place our heated oil and our water phase. And we're going to let this heat up until the oil phase is melted. Okay, so this has melted through, so we're gonna take it off the heat now. Now that we have taken it off the heat, we are going to re-measure our water phase. So our water phase has gone down from 554 grams to now 545.4. We need to get it back up to 554. So I have some distilled water that's already heated, and I'm just going to add it to what we already have here. There we go. Let's back up to 554. So we've added our water phase to our oil, so we're going to use an immersion blender and blend. Okay, so it has blended, so it's still very, very hot. So we're going to let it cool down and stir occasionally. We're gonna let it cool to about 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 40 degrees Celsius. And we're gonna just let it cool down before we add in any of our cool down ingredients. So as it's cooling, it's getting thicker, a lot thicker, but it still isn't cooled down enough. So we're gonna just wait a little bit longer. Our lotion has cooled down to our desired temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which I believe is 40 degrees Celsius. So now we're going to add in, our preservative and our fragrance oil. To do this, we're going to take a little bit of the lotion and put it in a separate container like this. And we're going to weigh it. I'm going to start with the fragrance oil. And I'm using a pumpkin chai fragrance oil. Now we're going to use our liquid Germall Plus for our preservative. Okay. We're going to mix it and add it to this. Stir. Ooh, that smells so good. It's nice and pumpkin-y, so great for the fall. Now it's all done and it's ready to be packaged. I'm gonna put mine in one of these amber containers. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you found this helpful. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe, and then also hit that notification bell to never miss another episode. So until next time, happy crafting.